So we thought we would jump on here quick and just kind of go through some of the questions that we get asked a lot by people that have ever thought about being an artist. You know, what's required? What do you have to do? And we just thought we'd tackle those real quick. I think the biggest thing that we want everyone to know is that as artists with Seint, you do not need to carry an inventory. We have our personal makeup, and that is really it. And I think that's a big thing for me because I don't like having a stockpile of things that I don't use sitting around at home that I need to get rid of.
For sure. So you don't have to worry about having product that you can't sell, or let's say down the road you decide that the company isn't for you and you want to be done, and now you have thousands of dollars worth of product sitting around. So with Seint, we don't carry any of that inventory at our house, like Jess said, unless it's our own personal or stuff that we've gathered for giveaways or things like that. Sorry, did I just cut you off?
You're good.
And that also means that we really don't have to do any of the shipping. So again, unless you choose to do shipping and ship out a gift or something like that, Seint takes care of all of the shipping of products to customers. They also deal with all of the returns, exchanges, and everything. So we obviously can help customers, get a hold of the Seint customer service and get that initiated, but we don't have to go to the post office, ship products, or get inventory from our house to do that, which is super nice.
Yes, a great perk. There are no sales minimums. There's not a certain amount of product you need to sell each month, which I think is awesome. So you can absolutely go at your own pace. As little or as much as you want to do as an artist is completely up to you. The only cost that you have is your back office fee, which is $12.95 a month, and that will come out automatically on the first of the month. But it's a nominal fee for what you get as far as your website and how you manage your sales and how you manage your customers. It's a lot of information. So really a nominal fee in my opinion.
And I think that's also what makes it so awesome for not only, let's say you're somebody who's going to go full force, do Seint full time. That's awesome, but if you're somebody who is really just doing it part-time or really wants to work hard in the summer months because you have more time, and then maybe in the fall or winter you maybe just want to take it a little easy,
back off
it doesn't matter. You can do no sales for 3 months if you just want to take some time off, and then you can go back full force. So there is no pressure and no sales requirement.
I don't believe you lose your status or anything like that. Am I right? Am I saying that wrong? If you don't sell anything in a particular month. So you always have that in your back pocket. If life gets crazy and your job is stressful and you just need to take a break, you can do it.
Yes.
No penalty.
So super nice that way. You can choose to build a team if you wish, but there is no pressure to build a team. So you do not have to work on getting artists underneath you or try to figure all of that out. If you're just in it just to make a little, extra money to put gas in your car or do some fun things with your family, that is fine. If you're looking to build a team, then there's all the support there to do that as well, which is really nice.
And if you do build a team, you get to sit here and make cool videos with your Seint sister.
Yes. No, what else? No sales experience. No. Did you have sales experience before?
No,
I had zero. And same thing with makeup experience. I think a lot of people who really like the Seint products are like, well, I love it, but I couldn't be an artist because I am not a makeup person, or I don't know enough about makeup. But
no, we are not makeup.
We are not.
No, we're moms.
We're moms that love the Seint product. You don't have to be a pro on any of it. And I think that's what makes it so cool is you have the support from so many different artists that can do awesome things with the Seint makeup. So if me and Jess are both not eyeshadow pros, we barely wear it, and I would never be able to teach you some big techniques because I just don't. But there are other artists and Seint sisters of ours that are awesome at it, and we can share that with our customers and that with people. So you have the support basically 24/7. If you have questions on techniques or customer questions or things you don't know or aren't familiar with,
you can find it.
You have
access to whatever you need, any sort of troubleshooting, any sort of tip. You have access to all of that. Everyone is willing to share that information.
Yes, so super nice that way. Seint is a fairly new company, so there's only about 25,000 artists total, which just makes it an awesome time to kind of jump in at the beginning. And yeah, anything else? I think that's
it. I mean,
we covered it.
it's a lot of perks.
Yeah.